Hey everybody, welcome back. This is day 16. We are back playing the Last Caretaker. Right now I'm just running around making sure I got everything out of here. Oh, what was that? I hear something. I swear I thought I just heard something. Making sure I got all the rooms cleared out. Now I'm going to go upstairs and make sure all my solar panels... Nope, I did not get everything cleared out. I'm going to gather this last bit of material and then I'll be back. Alright, we are officially grinding up the last thing here. Oh, okay. And we're going to gather all this stuff and we're going to go back to the boat and we're going to head on to the next location. Everything is officially done here, I think. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to pack this up too. I don't need this, so we are going to make sure I don't have nothing. Okay, good. We're on 6. I'm going to create a container that this goes into to where I don't have to gather all the parts for it anymore. Oh my gosh. Totally forgot about this stuff. So we're going to just grind this up real quick and we're going to get going. I cannot believe I forgot to grab this stuff. Okay. We're done now? Are we done now? Yep, we're done now. Okay, let's go to the boat. So I got everything piped, ready to go for when I get the 2 more levels, I think it is what I need for to make my own diesel fuel and my own. Wait a minute. Yeah. Dang it. My boat. My boat, man. Oh. Got up there. Yay! Alright, we are done cleaning up top, so what I'm doing now is I had these connected, but they kept popping off, and I think it's because I had them going from there to there and there to there, so I connected it straight to the lines, and they seem to be working really good. Especially on these rough waters, so... Alright, so we're almost done pumping this off, and then I'm going to do the same thing for this side over here. So I can get some of these tanks. Get my fuel filled. I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm draining the petro. So we're doing this good. I don't know why this is working and my little connection ports aren't, but they're not. I wonder if it's just too close. Wait, what? Oh. We are officially done. Alright. Alright, we're going to get going and we're going to head over to... I think I was supposed to go to the seed vault, right? Yeah, let's go to the seed vault. Get what we need there. Alright, here we go. On the way! Wait a minute, I need to make sure I got... Oh yeah, there's some stuff I got to get rid of. But we're good. Okay, we're going to get rid of that. We'll get rid of that. We're going to go to the seed vault. Seed vault on the way. On the way. Alright. Uh-oh. I meant to grab my flamethrower and I forgot. Okay, well, oh well. What is that noise? What's... Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna fall. Alright, here we go. Ooh. What is that? Is that thing, machine gun thing? Die, you little minions! Die! Snack, crackle, pop! Oh my god, look at them all. Oh, I thought I killed you. Really? Oh my god, it's growing back. Really? Alright, I might have to go empty my bags because I'm pretty dang heavy now. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. Let's get a better look at him. Aww. Oh. Yeah, he's unloading on me. Whoa! What in the tarnation is my boat doing? Oh, it's coming back down. It's coming back down hard! Please tell me the anchors. Please tell me the anchor is still there. God mighty! You know what? Don't care. I gotta figure out what the heck's wrong with my boat. Okay. Alright, so might have to jump in the water this time. There's the oil rig. do I need to fix these? Iron. Alright, I'm going to take a picture of this so I know what to bring. Yes, picture. Picture. Got it. Well, let's see if I can... Man, I'm stuck on a dang thing. Well, obviously it's sitting in one spot still. Come on. Go down. Come on, go down. Man, I can't believe how heavy I am. Oh, Lord, that scared me. Alright. See you on the boat. Okay, I don't know what happened when my boat did its little flippy flop in the air. I lost all of my stuff. So I found 2 of them back here at the back of the boat, but the rest are missing. So I'm assuming they're in the water somewhere. Probably somewhere. Hey, look, there's a shark. I'm gonna kill it. Okay. Did he just go underwater? Yep, I'm getting away from there. Stay on top of him. I stayed on top of him. All right. What in the world? I was gonna say, I think I got a whole bunch of stuff from him, didn't I? Is that my batteries? I think that's my batteries. No, I don't think them are my batteries. I think they're just stuff. Oh, so this sucks. All right, let's go. Oh, let's get rid of all my bags first. All right, we're heading back up. How much? Oh, shoot. I need power. Oh, man. I meant to bring all that stuff with me. I need to kill this guy first. Taking you with me. We're gonna go up here. We're gonna find this guy. We're gonna kill him. throw you out there. We're gonna go up to the very top. Oh crap. Alright, so good thing I brought this bad boy. Alright, drop you. Pick you up right there. Doesn't need to be repaired. Nothing. Yeah, we're gonna back you up. I gotta figure out what happened to my batteries. Alright, flag. What's over here? Whoa! And don't give a shit. Oh, wait a minute. Ah! You know what? I don't care. There's obviously some way of getting on the roof for some particular reason. Oh! That scared me. These angels scared me. At least we got some angel parts. My daughter's behind me laughing. Now we gotta go destroy Mr. Boom Boom Man. Just fall off this. Dang it, that's not what I want to do. Where are you at, Mr. Roly Poly? Oh, Mr. Roly Poly. Holy shit. Where did he go? Where did he go? Did he fall? Oh, was that a lag? Okay, so he's not up here. Ha! Ooh, this is heavy. And we're going to drop a couple of these onto my deck. Yep, there we go. And bombed away! And here we go again. And drop. Hey, at least I'm getting stuff done. Oh, that one might not make it. Ooh. Oh, this is the heavy one. And drop. I should ricochet right onto the deck. Yep. So Mr. Roly Poly must have went kaboomy. Or he got flipped off. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I need some of those. Oh, we're going to take these. Need to repair some stuff. You know what? I'm just going to start grinding. Here I've got the stuff we need. Let's go. Really? There's some stuff I forgot. Did I forget anything else? I don't think so. Oh, there's a door here. What the fudge? Okay, this is creepy. Looks like there's a thing below me. Okay, this is creepy. Alright, let's grind these bad boys up. I don't know why these are like this. As a robot, I'm assuming I would be emotionless, so... At least I hope I will be. But, I mean, some of these are like... not good. I mean, come on. You know what? I'm running out of space, so let's go back to the boat, drop this stuff off, and then we'll be back. We're gonna go back to that room here in a little bit. We're gonna go repair some stuff first so we get some power. No, I want to repair. Probably don't need all of this. I could probably dismantle a couple of them. So see, I'm missing glass. You gotta be kidding me. And boom. Oh, got too close to the edge there, y'all. Ow. Alright. So we're going to put these batteries in here since somehow my boat lost them. See, I think there's something wrong with these newer ones. Because that's what I had in there, and then all of a sudden it just, nothing worked. So, you know what? I'm gonna go back to what I had. So I need 2 more. That's the basic one. This is the boost, so build. Add missing parts. Add missing parts. There we go. Alright, so now I need a battery. Medium battery. Let's wait on this first. I'll be right back. Alright, we are back up here. I got more stuff to finish repairing some of these. Windmills. I don't know if I want a windmill. Let's see if I got enough to rebuild. Yeah, I got enough to do 1. Maybe I got enough to do too. Maybe I got enough to do them all. Hope so. Fix and find out. And I also got the parts I need for a battery. So I'm going to go do the battery right now. Oh, look at there. I forgot to grind something. Make sure there's nothing around here that I'm forgetting. Oh, yeah, forgetting all this. Okay, we're going to put the battery right here. Actually, let's grind these up for, oops. Let's grind these up first. I'll put them right here. Put the battery right next to where I need it to be. My God. I didn't realize there was so much in here. Alright, we'll put the battery right there. Hey, look at there, that little poppy battery still going. Alright, let's build the medium battery. Alright, we're going to build that there. Are you kidding me? I brought everything. No, I didn't. I know what I forgot. Alright. So what all do I need? One power cell, one ag... 2? Okay, so it looks like I did not bring everything I need. That's fine. What we can do is we can go ahead and just start building our little connectors here. I like it to be organized, y'all know this. Okay, so there's 2 of these here. So there's 4 of these, so 1, 2, 3. So that one there. That one there. That one there. And this be done for now. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something. Oh, dog's barking. Ah! I don't have enough. Crap. You know what, though? I think we got enough to do what we want to do here, y'all. What do y'all think? Should I just go ahead and grind that bad boy up? Now, let's go ahead and hook it up. Alright, that one is the only one that's not hooked up to nothing. 1, 2. Alright, so we're going to hook this one up to here. And these are going to go to there. Same for that one, and this is going to go here. Yeah, why not? Alright, got it there. Nope, that's not where I wanted it, but it'll work. Alright, now I need some more repairs. Actually, I need to finish some dang batteries. What do I need for this? More plastic and more glass. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm repairing this last one. Alright, so now we should have enough power. Now I'm gonna go. And there was the battery. Yep. Just gotta wait on that bad boy. Any day now. I'm going to take all this money. I don't know what it's used for. But we're going to grind all this stuff up. Medium battery is complete. Alright. I'm already overgrowth. You gotta be kidding. Sorry, Fred. But I don't need you anymore. I still gotta go down to that one area down there. Alright, let's connect you to you. And you to you. And we're... Nope. 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 Why is this not letting me take it? There we go. Okay, so this... Okay, so that's charging, so that should be good. Oh, looky here. I forgot all about these. Yep, let's do it. Alright, now we are on our way down to... Oh, it's the solar panels moving. Oh, it's like... Alright, here we are. Let's finish doing this in here. Alright, that's everything in it. Oh, my God, look at all that stuff down there. Alright, how do I get down there now? Blueprints. Let's see what I can do here. Can I get back up there? I don't think I can. I think it's going to be an expressway down. Alright, we're going to have to give myself some B and then E. There we go. Alright. So we are done here. I got my motors back. Well, how do I... Can I jump back up there? Nope. Okay. Get on there. I hate water. Oh, I hate the water. I hate the water, hate the water, hate the water, hate the water. Man, that is a bad place for that solar panel. You know what? I'm I'm gonna move it. And let's see if I can rebuild it. And let's put it. Alright, so that one's done. So no. No. Oh my Lord have mercy. Wow, why is this so hard sometimes? You know what? Just get out of my way. You know what? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Crouch. Yeah. Let's just do this. How about that? We'll go you. You. Over here. There we go. Now you. Back to where you belong. My God, that was more difficult than it should have been. Alright, is there a ladder over here? No, no ladder here, so we're good. You know what, though? Another solar panel actually might be good right here. Let's add another one in. There we go. Alright. Now let's go put everything away. Alright, so I got everything done. Everything is done there, so this one is completely clear. Let's check what we got in the net. Oh, looks like we got a bunch of stuff. Oh, level 18. Wait a minute, so can I make the oil things yet? Man, if I can, I'm gonna go back to the oil rig. Ah, it's level 20. I need that. Level 20. No. Alright, what can I make here? Rifle. Short circuit rounds for electric and non-living targets. I'm gonna get that. What is this? Large truck grenade. No, don't care about that. Any clips. An intensive. Oh. Alright, so this looks like this is a new light. Do I want more grenades? I don't think I want more grenades. Night vision. Alright, that's a mission lock. Okay, I don't need that. Flaming pistol. No, I don't need that. I got the other one now. Alright. No, I don't need that. What is this? Large electric generator. Runs over petro. No. Shot grenade. Sniper rod? Underwater capacity. Alright. Steel tower. So this is what I'm going to need, all that stuff. So 2 more levels. Alright, you know what? Let's get the rifle rounds. And did I get the tracers? Yes, I got the tracers. Alright. I'm wondering if... No, I don't want to use that. Binoculars? I don't know if I want binoculars. Small freshwater container. Metro container. Yeah, you know what? Let's get the container. I think, yep, I got all the other ones. Okay, we're good. Alright, let's put these into... Let's get all these at 50. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And... Field medic, shot. Yeah. Let's start getting some fall protection. Alright. So we are officially... Wait a minute. Can I build something now that I got some stuff? I don't think so. Alright, I got all these weapons so far. That's good for if I really need it. Alright, so I don't think there's anything I need. Alright, good. Alright, so let's go on and head over yonder. Oh no, there. Alright, I might need to move this solar panel. Alright. Alright, we're gonna turn. Alright, see you when we get over there. My God, people, look at that beautiful sunrise. Oh, great. Now music starts playing. Is something gonna pop out of the water like a giant squid or something? I just killed a shark. I just killed a shark. I just killed a shark. Sorry, I thought I was recording, but I didn't. What is all that now? What is all that? I don't know what all that was, but I just took it all. What in the frack is going on? I don't know what. What is going on? I just grabbed a whole bunch of new stuff. Let's go see what I got. Whole bunch of recyclable stuff. E and then F. Alright, let's continue on our merry little ways. Get myself some more this stuff. I know I should be saving that stuff for the Lazarus, but eh. Alright, here we go. On the road again. Alright, I'm almost there, 500 meters away. It looks like there's angels flying, so I gotta deal with those. Man, I don't know what they did on this last update, but man, this boat goes really slow now. Shouldn't have used any of my gas. Okay, so note to self, we're going to use gas or diesel tanks on the way, because I think, if I'm remembering right, there is a timer on this, if I remember right.
A revered sanctuary where the very essence and memories of humanity are preserved. Treasure this moment.
Well, I would treasure if this thing moved a little faster. Doesn't even hardly want to turn either. Wonder if my boat's too heavy. All the solar panels I got on it. I could probably get rid of those wind turbines and put like 2, maybe 3, about 4 more solar panels up front. Since the solar panels don't need to be repaired as of right now. Alright, let me get docked and I'll be back. Y'all won't believe this. I'm sorry, I seriously thought I was recording. He came in my boat after I started shooting at him. And dang, he almost killed me. Where'd the other one go? Oh, he died. Good, he died too. Okay, he still moved, so. Alright. So they did. Whew. Wonder how bad my boat is damaged now. I seriously didn't think they would come in my boat. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. My God. And by the way, that bolt action rifle, oh my Lord, that sniper rifle, yeah. 3 shots and these guys are down. Oh. So that was fun. That was some real fun there. Alright. Let's go explore this place. Alright, I don't think I need the bolt. Yeah, I might need this. Let's charge up first. Call it a night here, and we'll pick this up tomorrow. Oh, these broke off. And we'll just pick this up probably tomorrow or the next day. Depends on what I got going on tomorrow. See if that'll stay. I want to thank y'all for watching. Do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe, and leave a comment below. If y'all know that I missed something at the oil rig or at that last place, but I don't think I missed anything. But when we come back, we're going to go ahead and explore this beautiful place. Alright guys, good night.